corner held, waiting to pull it away as soon as 834 hits so we can re-up, because that's what we wants to do. We wants to re-up. Appreciate you, everybody. Again, don't worry. Enjoy the break. Hopefully we pull something nasty for somebody. More than one somebody. But if you get skunked, don't worry. You didn't. You truly didn't. Oh, hey, look at that. It's 834. It's rip time. All right. Now, etiquette dictates that I open the two blasters because they're blasters, but they're a different year. So I'm going to open one of these first. That's right. I'm mixing it up. And then we'll do the two blasters, and then we'll do Phoenix Obsidian. So we're starting out with an H2. Now there are 10 packs in this, 8 cards per pack. If you don't see me top load something that you would think, hey, why isn't that top loaded? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I don't know why, but that one felt thicker than everything else. Empty. Gumby, I'll try and remember that. Hang on. I think I can pull that off. And if you don't want base, you just got to tell me. Because I got to notate it, or I won't know. I won't remember. I remember somebody said it, but I don't remember who. All right, drop this just a little bit. That's better. Good luck, everybody. This is where it starts. Can we pull something nasty, please? And thank you. What's upside down? It's Travis Kelce, Russell Wilson, Tyreek Hill, DeAndre Swift, base Sidney Brown for the Eagles, a nice little A-chain to start it out for the Dolphins. Okay. We got a filler behind the filler. A little hit for the Saints, Kendre Miller, and that is numbered out of 199 with a, ooh, what's up, Chiefs? Hey, what's up, Art? What up, dog? It's not numbered, but it's still nasty. I like that. Send your base to Dylan. Done. I like that. Well, Patty Mahomes has started off. A little love for the Saints. Take a Kendre Miller. We don't know what this boy's about yet. He could have some straight fire. And we know this guy, as long as he's healthy, he's got a little spark in him. This little gent right here. This is a good first pack. It's a good first pack. We'll take that. We'll take that, American. We'll take that. It's a start. They're all upside down. Keenan Allen, J.K. Dobbins, Matty Stafford, base Dorian Williams for the Bills, for the Seahawks? Devin Witherspoon, a SP J.K. Dobbins. Oh, for the boys. Last team off the board. Ooh, this is low number too, I think. Nick? Out of 25. 9 out of 25 on the CD Lamb little deed. It's a little deed, yeah. And, of course, Aaron Rodgers. Playing with fire. Not numbered, but we'll take a little deed. We'll take a little deed. A little deed here, a little deed there. Yeah. All right, Phoenix, go on with your bad self. Don't stop here. Give us some more gold. I love gold. DJ Moore, Herbie, Gabriel Davis. Anthony Richardson on the base. There you go, Colts. And Pimp Playa Henry for the Texans with the Jimmy G Flamethrowers. I don't think he's numbered. Mike Evans is definitely numbered. No, Jimmy G is not. Mike Evans is numbered to 199. There you go, Bucks. And Desmond Ritter on the Flamethrowers. Mr. Ritter. Mr. Ritter. Get on up there, Anthony. We want you on display too, dog. Whoa, dog. And a little Mike Evans action. Why not? Why not? The Bucks need love too. All of them are upside down. What's going on here? Aaron Jones, CeeDee Lamb, Ryan Tannehill, Stephon Diggs. Oh, we got a Lion. Hendon Hooker for the Detroit Lions. For the Raiders, Tyree Wilson. We got another Buck. It's Mike Evans again. I don't think that's numbered. No, it's not. And Dallas Goedert on the hot routes for the Eagles. Hey, Eagles, you know, it's a start. They have appeared. Look at the Bucks getting a couple of deeds. Look at that. Don't see that every day. And I don't know what's going on with Hendon Hooker, but I like the fact that I have some mischief chilling on my bench if something stupid happens. Well, he's really the only Buck other than Godwin that you can really get. Barkley in Phoenix, I think. No, there's more than that, but I'm just saying, like, you know, I don't see Baker a ton. Breece Hall, Kyler Murray. Who'd that be? Clark Phillips the third for the Steelers. Joey Porter Jr. Devontae Smith for the Eagles. Here we go. That looks nice. Out of 125. And a Flamethrowers Justin Herbert. How you doing? Devontae's nice. That's a nice looking card. Look at that. All right. Well, that was just one half of that box. You got to start somewhere. It's all got to start somewhere. There's somebody out there right now, Thupreem's watching this break right now, and he's going, hold up 1 minute here. He's going, where are the Texans? Where are they? Well, don't worry, brother. We're only halfway through this box, all right? Okay? Okay? Appreciate the follow, Jackson. So I know, Brian, I know. TJ Watt, Austin Eckler, Trevor Lawrence, DK Metcalf. For the Titans, Tyjae Spears. For the Cowboys, DeMarvion Overshown. For the Broncos, Marvin Mims. Out of 25. Wow, 2 out of 25s. And a Travis Kelce. Not numbered, but still nice. A nice little combo to have with the Mahomes there, Art. So some teams that hadn't got a little deed for the Broncos. Marvin Mims out of 25. You know, like, okay. Don't mind if I do. All right. Tony Pollard, Valdez-Scantling, Stevenson, Mayfield. There's a Texan, Willie Anderson Jr. There's another one, C.J. Stroud. And looky, Anthony Richardson. That's nice. It's not numbered, but still, good deed. And on the contours, Jordan Addison. Let's take care of little Anthony here. But the Vikings just got a little deed, too. There you go, Fred. Yeah, no joke. All we need is a Bryce now, right? All we need now is a Bryce Young. A box for the ages. Haven't seen any Niners yet either. A.J. Brown, Patty Mahomes, Kenneth Walker III. These are H2 Phoenix packs, Giants. Luke Musgrave on the base. Trenton Simpson on the base for the Ravens. The SP, Aaron Jones for the pack. Garrett Williams for the Cardinals. Cardinals always find a way to get a little D in. Out of 99. And Quentin Johnston fired up for the Chargers. It's not numbered, Jody, but still adding to the collection. That's right, Chet. You know what boxes we want to hit a Niner out of. A specific Niner, to be exact. We won't speak his name, but we know. We all know. We're all thinking it. 2 packs left of the first H2. And I'm not kidding you guys. I don't know what your plans are this weekend. I don't know what what you can or can't do, but I'm telling you, Saturday morning, 8:30, Sunday morning, 8:30, we're gonna have a deep break. All right. Matt Judon, Josh Jacobs, Kenny Pickett, Deebo Samuel. Is that another Texan? Who dat? Oh, it's Tyler Scott for the Bears. Headed out to Scotty. Chad Ryland. What a legend. Look at him. Chris Olave for the Saints. Out of 50. Very nice. And an Adrian Peterson. Fireforged. For the Vikings. A Chris Olave out of 50 deed. We got 1 pack left. Come on. Great box. Great box. Don't be done yet. Don't have one more surprise for us. Have one more surprise for us. Scary Terry, Jimmy G, Garrett Wilson, Sam Laporta on the base. Okay, we take that. Zach Pickens for the Bears. SP Micah Parsons. Okay. We got a filler, I believe. Yep, a filler. James Conner for the one and only Cardinals. Out of 199. And the final card is a Lamb Jack on the Thunderbirds. That was the only Thunderbirds card in that whole box. That's wild. But it's for the Ravens, who needed something. They needed a little bit of love. All right, that's just 1 box, everybody. Just 1 box. No matter what happens, Obsidian can always save the day by itself. All by itself. It needs no other friends. It can be its own friend. It looks kind of nice on the red. I like that. It looks kind of nice. It ain't got no gas in it. One of the fellas said the water was cold, and the other fella said the water was deep. All right, 2 blasters time. Obsidian. Oh, you stop it. All right. Where's my deed at? Now, this is 2022. Just blasters, you know. But it is not 2023. It's 2022. He almost made it all the way to the bottom, Scott, but I caught him. I caught him. I saw him wanting to do it. And then he did it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Kind of feels like maybe we have a mem there. Empty box. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Might have 2 mems, potentially. I could be wrong. Empty box, 2022. Jamal Williams. Damian Harris. Matt Ryan on the red, white, and blue. And Ibekite. Aburkik. Good old Matt Ryan. Gotta love him. Gotta love him. Poor soul. Had to run into Tom Brady. Richie Grant. Derwin James Jr. on the red, white, and blue for the Steelers. Alex Highsmith. And a base Ahmad Sauce Gardner rookie. A little sauce action. What up, Sauce? There you go, Baver. A little bit of love. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Peebles. Tunsil. Silver. Dolphin. Jalen Waddle. Okay. And new recruits, Drake London for the Falcons. That's somebody that's been just chilling in the wings too, the Falcons. That's the first real Falcon I can remember yet. But we did get a nice little Waddle there. Looks slab worthy, if that's your type of thing. Maybe, potentially. It's shiny. I'll tell you that, it's shiny. Ray Lewis, Devontae Adams. On the red, white, and blue rookie for the Bills, James Cook. We definitely take that, Buffalo. And a Nick Bonito for the Bucks. For the Broncos. Future Buck. 3 years down the road, Buck. There you go, Gumby. Not bad. Not bad at all, Mike. Roquan. Jimmy G. We got a silver bear here. Oh, it's the variation. Velus Jones Jr. on the variation for the Bears. Not the worst thing in the world, Scotty. And Robbie Anderson for the Cardinals. Now, I think there's a meme in here. I say. Yep, there is. Mike Ditka. Jarvis Landry pulling from the back. Red, white, and blue. Rookie for the Jets. Oh, it's not the Jet we want, though. Jeremy Ruckert. And on the mem, DB. David Bell for the Brownies. A little love for the Brownies. You know, you see how the Browns always find a little way to get a little deed in? Every time. Every time they find a way. But don't sweat it. We've got a whole nother blaster. And an H2 and an Obsidian Hobby. Holy moly. It's Justin Tucker. It's Mac Jones. Patty Mahomes on the red, white, and blue. Okay. And Tyrion Davis-Price. Sorry, chat. I thought for a second there. Like it was quick. And then it was over. Needed a blue chew. Christian McCaffrey. Joseph Bosa. On the red, white, and blue. Nina. Eli Mitchell. And for the pack, Devontae Wyatt. They're teasing us with these Niners. Jamal Williams. Davis Mills. Silver for the Giants. Dexter Lawrence, Big Frit, and a Brilliance, Jamar Chase, not a Prism. But there's another team we hadn't seen until now, was the Bengals. It's Mike Ditka again. Josh Jacobs. Red, white, and blue Saint. Rookie. Yeah, buddy. Chris Olave. There you go, brother. Congrats. And Cade York for the Browns. For the Brownies. Get out of here, Penny Sleeve. Good job, Ultra Pro. Appreciate you. Oh, we take rookie Chris Olave's red, white, and blues. Yes, we do. Richie Grant. Kwity Paye. Jamal Adams. And for the Bengals, Trey Hendrickson. This guy's nasty, too. I wish I had him on the other side of old Hutch out there in Detroit. Now, I'm pretty sure there's another patch. Yep. Diggs, Sanders, red, white, and blue Steeler. Oh, at one point, this was a good card. Kenny Pickett, red, white, and blue. And the patch is DR. We know who that is. The one and only. The gent. Desmond Ritter. Good old Desmond Ritter. You had your chance, Desmond. You had your chance. They did kind of mess you around a little bit, but there were games there where it warranted taking you out, dude. Even though they said they wouldn't. It warranted it. But he's moved on to another squad now. All right, let's get back into the swing of things. No more retail. We're going back into the H2. We're going back into the H2. 10 more packs of this with 8 cards per pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll put a lot of fillers in this one. Maybe we got an RPA. Empty box. Jimmy G, Garrett Wilson, TJ Watt, Austin Eckler, base Keely Ringo, base Miles Murphy for the Bengals. Oh, nice. For the Dolphins, Devin A. Chain on the seismic, not numbered. And Tyreek Hill for the Dolphins on the contours. Dolphins. Dolphin. All right. Got a couple base rookies here. Let's take care of them. Let's go ahead and penny slam them. Okay. Trevor Lawrence, DK Metcalf, Tony Pollard, base Jaden Reed for the Pack. It's got a little Panini action going on there. See that? Just want to point that out. For the Cowboys, Deuce Vaughn, Jared Goff on the SP, Jair Brown for the Niners out of 199, and a Thunderbirds Tyler Algier for the Falcons. Well, that was I don't know. Do a little bit better. Do a little bit. Do a little better. Do a little better. Do a little better now. Yeah, Jaden got panini'd a little bit. Deuce was okay though. What did Dallas do in the offseason? Did they sign anything? Did they do anything? I feel like I don't. What happened? Oh. Scantling, Stevenson, Baker Mayfield. Who dat? A.J. Brown for the Browns. Ika. For the Lions, Jack Campbell. Michael Pittman Jr. for the Colts. What is this numbered out of? It looks nice. Out of 99. And a CeeDee Lamb on the hot routes. Not numbered, but a nice little CeeDee Lamb for the Dallas Cowboys. That Pittman looked nasty. Thought it was going to be something more than 99. I don't know. It looked good though. Jerry Jones happened. I love my team. Ryan Tannehill, Stephen Diggs, Saquon Barkley, Cam Smith, DTR. For the Chiefs, Travis Kelce, SP. I think this is just a filler. It is. Behind the filler, a DJ Turner rookie for the Bengals out of 10. Wow. Wasn't ready for that. And a Jalen Hurts on the fired up. He is not numbered, but I wasn't ready for that to be a gold. But it is. Headed out to... Who got the Bengals tonight? McNeasy. Dude, I guess it's black. Is that what it is? Black? Because I initially looking at it, I would not think that is a 10 out of 10. 8 out of 10. But it is. No lies were told. Jalen Hurts. Well, we'll always take out of 10s. Always and forever. We've got Devontae Adams, Breece Hall, Kyler Murray, Terry McLaurin, base Yaya Diaby, base Josh Downs for the Colts, Jack Campbell for Detroit out of 99, and a Nick Chubb for the Browns on the seismic. There you go, Brownies. He gonna come back. He gonna play again. He gonna play again. He gonna be good. He gonna be good. Mr. Jack Campbell. Extraordinaire. We got one whole half of this box left. What could it have in store for us? We're about to find out. We might not be done yet. We've got that out of 10, right? That's not going to be the end, is it? That won't be the end. Something's chilling in here. Something's chilling in here. We did pull 2 out of 99, so I might be wrong. Keenan Allen. J.K. Dobbins, Matt Stafford, DJ Moore, base Tyreek Stevenson, base Jake Moody. For the Niners, Bosa. Nick Bosa on the seismic. Not terrible, chat. And flamethrower CJ Stroud. Not numbered, but we take anything like this. We want stuff like this right here is what we want. Okay. We haven't pulled a Brock tonight yet, but we're not done yet. We're not done yet. Dakota, I'm going to follow you back on that one. You pulled a Mahoney. Justin Herbert, Gabriel Davis, Aaron Jones. Hey, Weston, we're doing a break here, dog. Okay. Kalijah Cansey, Zay Flowers, Cam Akers for the Vikings out of 199, and a Jackson Smith. Hey, look, Wise, a Seahawk. Holy, what? I didn't want to say anything, Wise, but I've been watching it with you. I'm right there. I'm right there with you the whole time. Zay Flowers. And a Kalijah Cansey. Hey, look. It's Jemai. Miles Sanders, Travis Kelce, Michael Wilson for the Cardinals. For the Texans, Dylan Horton, SP, Christian McCaffrey, Micah Parsons for the Dallas Cowboys. Nice. Out of 199. And a Devonta Smith, Thunderbirds for the Eagles. He not numbered. But Micah was numbered. What the? That's weird. It's an oversized penny sleeve. How'd that happen? What are you doing to me, Ultra Pro? What are you doing? Well, we've got a nice little stack of rookies over here, that's for sure. God dog. All right, 2 packs left. 2 packs left, and then it's upset again. Yeah, dude. So Raiders, Panthers haven't really came out to play at all. I'm sure there's others. Tyreek Hill, DeAndre Swift. Titans haven't really showed up much. Saints, Brian Brees for the Chiefs. Rashee Rice. Devontae Adams for the Raiders. There you go, Mr. G. On the contours, CeeDee Lamb. Out of 125 for them boys. And TJ Hawkinson on the hot routes. Not numbered, but it is a Viking. Dallas getting a little love towards the end here. That last team magic. This looks nasty. The contours with the seismic print on it. All right. The finale of Phoenix. The end of 2 whole boxes. Joe Mixon. Brock Purdy. Amon-Ra St. Brown. Dak Prescott. Sean Clifford. Who's that? Riley Moss. Filler. T-Law. There you go, Chet. There you go, bro. Out of 25. And look at that. Chet and Brian back to back. There you go, guys. There you go. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. You were supposed to wait. I know exactly what you mean. Jody, we're going to see if we can do exactly that. And that Obsidian is the type of box that can do that. Obsidian, it's absolutely the box that can save your break. Salvage what hasn't happened yet. Let's see what's in it. And then I'll do a recap of all this. All right, I know I don't have to do, I really don't have to sweat these, but I like doing it anyways, just in case something really nasty's in there. It's better that way. Seven cards per box. McNeasy, so this is the last box. The biggest, there were Bengals in there, but you got an out of 10. I think it was DJ Turner out of 10. Out of Phoenix. Well, look at that thick old boy. Empty box. Do we get one of those 8 card packs, or there's just a bunch of mems or something in there? Our trusty Joe Boo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, just 7 cards. 7 cards. But it's the Ucka. It's the Ucka. All right, first card's usually a base card. Oh, I saw it. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. For the Bills, Justin Shorter on the base. I saw the next card. And I've been pulling him like crazy, to be honest. He just keeps showing up. He just keeps showing up. Supreme. I hope you're here, Supreme. For the Texans, CJ Stroud out of 49, out of Obsidian. Holy, I like it, yeah. Look at that. Congrats, bro. Look how nasty that is. Now I'm semi colorblind. I think that's orange. It looks orange to me. Like I said, I'm semi colorblind, but it looks orange to me. I could always look it up and see what the 49 out of 49s are. But there you go, brother. But we're not done yet. Behind CJ is a Jet. Brees Hall Unbreakable out of 199. Not terrible. We will take that, Jets. Here you go, Baver. A little deed. A little deed for you, my friend. For the Lions. Ha, my boy. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look, there's a little blue down in the corner, too. There's a little blue chew in the corner there. I can see it. Out of 25, last on print. I kind of want that card. Rookie Eruption, that just looks nasty. It's going to look even more nasty when you see it in person. That's cool. That's pretty cool. All right. 3 cards left. Oh, for the Raiders. Aiden O'Connell, look at that. Out of 49. Wow. That's nice. There you go, Mr. G. First timer magic. Come on back now, you heard me? Look at that. That's a keeper. For the Bills, Justin Shorter. Well, we got a Justin Shorter base and a Justin Shorter auto. These aren't numbered. But the Bills got 2 cards out of this box. That, I mean, it had a lot. I don't expect much more. I mean, wow. Just those 3 alone. Here's the other 3. So what's this last one? I don't think it is. It's an orbital. Why not? Kenny Pickett for the Steelers on the orbital out of 75. Hey, they had to even it out, right? They had to even it out. out of 75. Okay. Well, that was that. You guys, don't worry. Jody, you know, the ones that Wise, you already know. I'm not going to. Nobody's getting left hanging in here. I'm going to do a recap of this. Saturday morning, Sunday morning, I'm going to have 2 breaks that I would absolutely get into myself. So just keep an eye out for them. They're going to be similar but different. And we're going to have some fun this weekend. But this was a good break. I know not everybody hit, but it can't happen that way. It rarely does. Falcons need a little love. Thanks, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Go chillax. I'll be back. I'll post something Friday night to tickle your fancy. All right, I'm going to do these real quick that are just sitting over here. TJ Hawkinson, Deuce Vaughn, Jaden Reed, Jair Brown, out of 199. Trey Hendrickson, Dexter Lawrence, Eli Mitchell, Ibetke, Sam Laporta, Mike Parsons, SP, Adrian Peterson, Luke Musgrave, Garrett Williams for the Cardinals out of 99, and Tyjae Spears. Justin Herbert Flamethrowers, Dallas Goedert, Tyree Wilson, Mike Evans, Kendre Miller out of 199. Fired up Patty Mahomes, Mike Evans out of 199. CeeDee Lamb out of 25. A-Chain, Anthony Richardson, Aaron Rodgers, Tyreek Hill, Contours, James Cook rookie, Sauce rookie, James Conner out of 199, Drake London, Jordan Addison Contours, Quentin Johnston, Travis Kelce, Devontae Smith out of 125, Algier, Red, White, and Blue, Patty Mahomes, Jalen Waddle Silver, Lambjack, CJ Stroud Base, Anthony Richardson Seismic, CeeDee Lamb Hot Routes, A-Chain Seismic, David Bell Patch Rookie, Velus Jones Jr. Variation Rookie, Fired Up Bryce Young, Michael Pittman Jr. out of 99, Kenny Pickett, Chris Olave Rookie, I like you, Chris Olave out of 50, Marvin Mims out of 25, Hendon Hooker Base, CeeDee Lamb out of 125, Jack Campbell out of 99, DJ Turner out of 10 for the Bengals, Desmond Ridder Patch, Micah Parsons out of 199, CJ Stroud Flamethrowers, Devontae Adams, Jackson Smith, Nick Bosa, Josh Downs, Nick Chubb, Fired Up Jalen Hurts, Justin Shorter Base Rookie, Trevor Lawrence out of 25, CJ Stroud out of 49, Devontae Smith Thunderbirds, Zay Flowers, Aiden O'Connell RPA out of 49, 26 out of 49, Sammy Laporta Patch Rookie Eruption out of 25, Justin Shorter Auto, Breece Hall Patch Unbreakable out of 199, and of course Kenny Pickett on the Orbital out of 7.